When Sanjay shared the idea of eKalakar with me about 2 years ago, the idea hit home personally. My elder brother, a very talented and passionate, experienced actor in Mumbai, still struggled to find consistent work. And that only made me wonder, how challenging would it be for India's traditional performing artists to earn their livelihoods? With over 2 decades of development sector experience behind us, Sanjay and I saw the opportunity to make an impact at the intersection of culture and commerce. Our vision was to reimagine and harness the power of India's traditional performing arts to address business and social challenges while creating meaningful opportunities for our artists. So we quit our lucrative careers and started to build eKalakar as a digital platform that would connect Indian traditional performing artists to markets, patrons, and causes. The timing of the idea could not have been better. India is leading the digital revolution. At the same time, it's also witnessing a cultural megatrend. Yoga has gone global. India's G20 leadership was a cultural watershed. Spiritual tourism is booming. Regional OTT content is up. And if you see the raging trend of how folk songs are inspiring film songs, they're all pointing out to the fact that culture is a potent tool and Desi is the new cool. eKalakar sees itself as an agent of cultural communication. Take, for instance, the Mayurbhanj Chhau performance that we curated, which was based on the lives and livelihoods of fisher folk in Orissa, and we did this for an aquaculture conference for GIZ. The performance did not only entertain, it moved hearts, it sparked engaging conversations, and it really started a whole conscious discussion around a lot of issues that were pertinent to the session. Look at another partnership that we had with Tata Power. They were faced with the challenge of low bill collection rates in remote rural Orissa. We came in and we curated a bespoke dance drama which included elements of storytelling, local arts, practical messaging to trigger social behavior change among 5,000 rural consumers across 50 villages. eKalakar cares very deeply about achieving the business and social goals of its patrons. We seek deep thematic insights. We curate the whole cultural context and storylines. We match the art and artists to the occasion. And we try and create unique experiences that leave a lasting impact and measurable impact. Over the last year and a half, we've curated about close to 250 performances with 1,300 work days that we've created for our artists with very, very reputed organizations. We are partnering with the likes of IIM Mumbai, IIM Bangalore, TISS, and what we've also been able to do over the last 1 year is we've created India's first digital platform that connects India's traditional performing artists to opportunities. They can access paid opportunities, they can skill themselves, and all for free. So eKalakar is just not a platform, it's actually a movement to reposition India's cultural heritage and soft power to really come of age and create impact. Sanjay spoke about the Natya Shastra. Our performing arts tap into the Navrasas, the 9 human emotions. They have a timeless power to evoke joy, empathy, reflection. Just think about the endless possibilities of what that could do. Can't our traditional performing arts transform education, learning and development, creative leadership, holistic wellness, and social behavior change at scale? Just think about what could be the applications, the real-world applications, whether it's comes to marketing, insurance in rural areas, or whether it could be about creating awareness around climate change and sustainable livelihoods among the rural youth. So those are the possibilities. My last word on this particular aspect is that as patrons, as leaders, and as change makers, can we all think about how can we integrate traditional performing arts into our day-to-day, all the activities and initiatives that we have, and what could we really do to elevate, enable, and engage the audiences and stakeholders that we work with. Let's bring more Naam Kaam Daam to our traditional performing artists. Thank you very much.
ಆನುಮಲೆ ಏಳು ಮಲೆ ಗುಂಜುಮಲೆಗಳು ಗುಂಜುಮಲೆ 77 ಮಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪದ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಬಂತು ಮಾದಪ್ಪನ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಸಾರಿ 2 ಸಾರಿ 3 ಸಾರಿ ಉಗೇಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಗುರು ಜಯತೀರ್ಥರ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಸಲ ಉಗೇಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಶೂನ್ಯ ಕಲಾತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಸಲ ಉಗೇಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನ್ನ ತಾನೇನ ತಂದೆ